The Google Pixel Watch 4 is here, and it's Google's most ambitious smartwatch yet. In this video, we are taking a deep dive into everything this watch has to offer, from its stunning new display to its AI-powered features and next-level health tracking. The Google Pixel Watch 4 runs on Wear operating system 6.0 and comes packed with 32 GB of storage, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, housed in aerospace-grade aluminum with a round dome design. It's built to be both beautiful and tough. One of the biggest upgrades this generation is the Actua 360 dome display. It's 10% larger and 50% brighter than the Pixel Watch 3, giving you more screen real estate and better visibility in any lighting condition. The display is protected by scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass, so it can handle daily wear without worry. The Pixel Watch 4 is one of the first smartwatches to have Google's Gemini AI Assistant built in directly into the watch. You can ask questions on the go and get quickly personalized responses, all from your wrist. Gemini also powers AI-driven quick replies for texts, delivering hyper-relevant suggestions based on your considerations. It's not just a smartwatch anymore, it's a rest-worn AI companion. Very NCT is and thing of the past with the Pixel Watch 4. You get up to 40 hours of standard battery life, up to 72 hours in battery saver mode. Fast charging, the new side charging dock delivers 15 hours of battery in just 15 minutes or less. Whether you are heading into a long weekend or multi-day hiking trip, this watch has the endurance to keep up. The Pixel 4 is a serious fitness companion. Here's what it brings your tradings. 40 plus exercise modes with real-time status on your wrist, dual frequency GPS for high precision route tracking on runs, hikes, and beyond. One of the most accurate GPS systems available in a smartwatch, detailed post-workout breakdowns to help you train smarter, not just harder. Whether you are a casual jogger or a competitive athlete, the Pixel Watch 4 has the tools to elevate your performance. Google has packed the Pixel Watch 4 with some of its most accurate health monitoring technology to date, heart rate tracking, Google's most accurate yet, sleep insights, understand your sleep stages, quality and patterns, SpO2, blood oxygen monitoring, HRV, heart rate variability tracking, and more key health metrics to give you a full picture of your well-being. The watch does not just collect data, it helps you understand it with clear, actionable health tracking insights. The Pixel Watch 4 introduces some genuinely life-saving safety capabilities. Loss of pulse detection. The watch can detect a loss of pulse event and automatically prompt a call to emergency services. Satellite SOS. Even in remote locations with no cell signal, the Pixel Watch 4 can connect you to emergency services via geostationary satellites. These features make it one of the most safety-conscious smartwatches on the market, with aerospace-grade aluminum housing and water-resistant up to 50 meters. The Pixel Watch 4 is ready for anything: swimming, switching, rain, or whatever your day throws at it. The Pixel Watch 4 is compatible with most Android devices and integrates seamlessly with the Google ecosystem. Listen to music wirelessly with Pixel Buds. Control your Pixel camera right from your wrist. View your Nest Cam or Nest Doorbell feed directly on the watch. It is the ultimate companion for anyone already living in the Google ecosystem. The Google Pixel Watch 4 runs on Wear operating system 6.0 with 32 GB of onboard storage and 455 mAh lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 40 hours of standard use or up to 72 hours in battery saver mode. The watch features around 45mm Actua 360 dome display protected by scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass, all enclosed in an aerospace-grade Satin Moonstone aluminum case paired with a Moonstone Active Band. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the watch comes with dual-frequency built-in GPS for high-precision location tracking. It is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and intense workouts. Special features include the Gemini AI Assistant, fast charging support, comprehensive health tracking insights, and an Actua 360 display, making it one of the most feature-rich smartwatches Google has ever produced. The Pixel Watch 4 is ideal for Android users looking for a premium smartwatch experience, fitness enthusiasts who want accurate GPS and workout tracking, health-conscious individuals wanting deep health insights, anyone who wants Gemini AI on their wrist, people who value safety features like loss of pulse detection and satellites SOS,